Hi, in today's session, we will cover a very important real-time scenario, that is transferring legacy assets that were procured in the same year your SAP S4HANA system goes live. We'll go step by step through the process using three key transactions: AS91 for creating the asset master data, AB01 for posting APC value, and ABLDT for posting the current year's depreciation. By the end of the video, you will clearly understand how to handle such asset during migration without any data inconsistency. So let's get started. First, go to transaction AS91 and create the legacy asset master data. Enter the company code, ONEV is my company code, and select the relevant asset class. So I'll be taking vehicle as my asset class. Vehicle legacy upload current year. My capitalized date is going to be 1st April 2025. Time dependent data, cost center, select the relevant cost center, go to depreciation area tab, depreciation key, and my useful life is 10, and depreciation start date is going to be 1st April 2025. Save it. So my asset is created. So this is the asset. Let's go to Excel and create a scenario. AS91 is the transaction which I've used to create the master data. 3 4 times 0 2, and my capitalized date is 1st April 2025. My go live date is 1st October 2025, and my acquisition production cost is 1 lakh. My per year depreciation, let's calculate. My useful life, so my useful life is 10 year. Depreciation as per useful life, acquisition production cost divided by useful life. 10,000 is the value of per year depreciation, but I want depreciation to be calculated from April to October, that is 7 months. This 10,000 divided by 12 into 7, so this is the depreciation up to 7 months. So we have created this asset master data. Now we will enter this APC value into the system. Go to transaction AB01, enter the company code, enter the asset, enter transaction type 100. So asset is this, press enter. Now enter the document date and asset value date. So make sure you enter the date here on which the asset is procured in the legacy system. In my case, my asset is procured on 1st April 2025 and my go live date is 1st October 2025. So both is in current fiscal year. So I am entering 1st April 2025 here, and this is the case of 1st April 2025, and this is the case of current year acquisition of legacy asset. And my document date and posting date is also same. You can enter the document date, maybe your go live date or any date on which you want the document to be presented in your reportings. But this date is the date on which the asset will be start valuating. Okay, now enter the value 1 lakh and the text current year asset legacy update. Go to additional detail. You can enter the reference or assignment, enter the note if you want. Now go to simulate to check the accounting entry. Check if there any error. no error. So the accounting entry is asset account is debited and the offsetting account is credited with the value of 1 lakh. That is correct, and the document type is going to be posted from UE. Correct. Now save it. Two document has been posted for two accounting principle. One is for Ind AS and one is for US GAAP. So we have entered this value into the system, that is acquisition production cost. Now go and check into the Asset Explorer. AW01 is the transaction. AW01N. So acquisition value is 1 lakh, 10,000 is the ordinary depreciation, and this is the transaction we have posted, external asset acquisition. Go to posted value, and as you can see, no depreciation has been posted. All depreciation are planned to be posted, and the value of depreciation is 10,000 as per our calculation. Now we have to post this much of depreciation into the system. Now go to SAP again, go to ABLDT transaction, enter the company code and asset. Acquisition value you don't need to enter because we have already entered in the AB01 transaction. And ordinary depreciation is accumulated depreciation. It is not required to post in the asset which is procured in the current year. Now in ordinary depreciation posted, we will be entering this 5833.33 value. Now this is for the last depreciation area. So this is for leading, this is for non-leading, and this is for leading USD currency, and this is for non-leading USD currency. We have entered the depreciation amount for all depreciation area. Now simulate. So as you can see, for leading ledger group, and the document type is UE, so asset is getting credited with this much amount, and this is offsetting account which is going to debit it. If you want to select the different accounting principle, you can go and also do this. This is for our different ledger group for non-leading ledger. Now I am going to save it. If you want, you can see the error here, but I don't think so I have any error. So yes, two documents has been posted for two accounting principles. Correct. Now let's see the Asset Explorer and see the posted values. Refresh. Nothing is posted as of now. All is planned. See, the transaction is coming now. Ordinary depreciation 5833.34. Go to posted values. Now the legacy data transfer is posted till 7th period. So this is the depreciation up to 7th period, which can be seen here. And rest period are yet to be posted, total making 10,000 depreciation. So that's how you post the current year acquired asset as a legacy asset into the SAP system. Thank you.